Hi, my name is Heather Miller and I work for Haymarket Gainesville Community Library, and today we're going to learn how to attack someone with a sword.
Please have adult supervision and try not to attack said adult supervision. For this demonstration, you'll want an open area to practice, somewhere you'll be less likely to skewer dishware into a floor mosaic.
For this demonstration, you're not going to need a sword, a mask, or a lame.
You can mime holding a sword. However, if you would like to hold something, a pencil or a stick will do just fine, especially since we're going to focus on your footwork today.
Posture might seem like some kind of evil scheme to make you sit up straighter, but it's actually really important for fencing.
Your heels start together at a right angle. Take a step out with your dominant foot and be sure to bend your knees to give you more mobility. This is your basic starter position for the feet. Now, how you stand. Remember that target area we talked about last video? Spots where an opponent can strike you to score a point? Good posture means smaller target area. If I'm slouching, my non-dominant arm and shoulder are exposed. If I keep my back straighter and shoulders align, this minimizes target area for any oncoming attacks. I keep my dominant arm about a hand's width from my torso and bent at the elbow. When I'm resting like this, I keep my blade tilted slightly up. My non-dominant arm stays behind my body. Now, this arm's position can vary based on preference. Many foil fencers will keep their back hand at head height and drop their hand down when they lunge to act as a counterweight, and honestly, because it looks cool. My old instructor told me this was a carryover from when daggers could be used in the backhand for blocking. Many saber and epee fighters prefer to keep their hand either pressed behind their back or down low. As you might recall in our first video, the hand is target area for both of those swords, so it can be important to give it a little extra coverage. Now, put all that together. Your feet at the 90-degree angle, knees bent, back straight, shoulders balanced, dominant hand forward and non-dominant hand in your preferred position in the back. And congratulations! This is the en garde position. This is where fencers start before they salute their dueling partner.
But how do you get to your dueling partner? From this position, we're going to teach you how to advance.
Look back at those feet again. 90-degree angle, about hips width apart and bent knees? Perfect. Now, bring your dominant foot forward, ankle first, and pull yourself forward with that ankle. You don't want to push. This can make you tilt forward too much, dropping your blade down and leaving you open for attack. Now, to retreat. You want to shift backwards with your non-dominant foot first. Step back. Remember to keep that 90-degree angle as you move. Do not push off your front foot. Again, this can cause you to tilt back too much and tilt your sword up, leaving you open for attack. Try with me. Take a step back, starting the movement with your back foot. Pause this video. Find an open area of floor space, outside or inside will do. Just make sure there is nothing to trip over and no one to accidentally impale with your pencil, stick, or sword.
So, you finally make it to your opponent. What do you do? How do you attack them? Next, we're going to learn how to lunge.
To lunge, you extend your arm forward, then take a big step with your front foot. Depending on your backhand's position, you're going to drop that hand down as a counterweight. There's something very important to keep in mind while lunging. You never want your knee to go past your ankle. Keep them lined up. Allowing your knee to bend past your ankle can hyperextend it and damage your leg over time. Like last time, pause this video here to practice your lunges. Throw in a few advances and retreats while you're at it. And be careful to keep your knees safe.
Today, we covered fencing posture, how to advance and retreat, and how to do a lunge. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for next time. Keep your sword shiny!